Hi, this is Monique. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do YouTube how-to videos, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup video. I'm going to show you how I did this look to go with my sparkly outfit for the weekend. And this is just like a look that I have when I go out for the weekend. So if you like this channel, please subscribe and like all the videos, and I will post some pictures afterwards on Instagram as well. So keep watching. Okay, so here's the final look. So like I said, I'll take a bunch of pictures and put them on my Instagram with my sparkly outfit for today, and I'll be making a new video tomorrow as well, which is more of like a YouTube-esque video. So if you like this channel, please subscribe and keep watching. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.